So how do we handle our admin? It's a very good question. At the beginning, I was doing it all myself, and because we only had a few transactions on the bank account a month, so it was very relatively easy. We also used a tool called Podio to manage all the expenses, invoicing, and use it also as a CRM tool. And we made the right decision. It integrates well with Google Drive. So we use Podio as our, I would say, a small SAP. That's probably what bigger companies would recognize. But for us, it works really well. And recently, as we grow and we have more admin, and at the beginning, as I said, 2 transactions. Now we have maybe 50 transactions or 100 transactions on account a month. It's not longer possible for me to do it. So one of the crucial moments was when we hired 2 virtual assistants. So we have virtual assistants that basically help us with administration, and we set up really good processes for them that are probably 80% now, 90% completely outsourced. This way we can focus on customers.